It is with great gratitude that I welcome each one of you here to the grand opening of this newest production facility of ours. Today marks not just the beginning of a new chapter for our company, but a celebration of the journey it took to get here. It's been a journey, and I don't know all of it. The craftsmanship, the professionalism, the tireless effort by the contractors have created this space that will serve us for decades to come. To our customers and vendors, thank you for trusting us and challenging us and growing with us. Your loyalty means a lot, and your feedback has helped shape us and shaped our product on the products that we build. To the Schnell staff, you are the true engine that keeps this place humming and makes this possible. Without you, we wouldn't be here today. A huge thank you. And to the community, thank you for welcoming us, supporting us, believing in us and our mission. We're proud to be part of this region's economic fabric, and we look forward to contributing even more in the years ahead. As we open the doors of this new facility, we reaffirm our commitment to innovation, quality, partnership. Schnell Industries is not just celebrating 30 years of success, we're laying the foundation for at least the next 30. Thank you all for being here today. Let's continue building something extraordinary together.
From our small beginnings in Plum Coulee to this new chapter today, our growth has been built on our core values: team success, solution-oriented, customer-focused, hard work, and a growth mindset.
It takes guts to run a small business. Folks like Brenton put up everything on the line, not just for themselves, but for their families, their workers, and the whole community. While others might hold back when times get tough, entrepreneurs see a chance to build. They don't just hope for a better future. They roll their sleeves and they create it. Brenton, thank you for believing in your business and your people. It's folks like you that keep our community strong. Wishing you and Schnell Industries team all the best in this next chapter. I can't wait to come by soon and shake your hand.
Thank you for your investment into our community. Thank you for believing that Winkler is the place to grow your business, that the opportunities here are going to yield for your staff, your families, for your employees, and that this is the place to be.
I'm just happy to be here. I'm excited. Congratulations on your 30th anniversary. It's exciting to see this huge expansion, 73,000 square feet. That's a huge space. And I want to congratulate Mike, Brent, and all of you here as family and friends and supporters that also have businesses here in town. Thanks for being here to celebrate this great milestone with all of these wonderful people here. So thank you very much.